Hello, dear children. Good morning. Children, we have started your semester 2 portion, right? And we have already started your lesson 1 pollution. So, children, what is meant by pollution? Pollution is the contamination of land, water, and air by harmful substances. And we have learned human made pollution as well as natural pollution. And what are the types of pollutions? Pollutions are like air pollution, water pollution, noise pollution, and soil pollution or some types of pollutions. We see what are all these. See, air pollution. Air pollution is caused by the introduction of harmful gases and particles in the air. Volcanic gases, fumes from forest fires, sandstorms, pollen, and ash are some of the natural air pollutants. So, here air pollution is caused due to harmful gases that are released into the air or some harmful particles which are released into the air. Due to this, air pollution will occur. The volcanic gases, fumes from forest fires. If the fire happen in the forest, the fumes coming out from that will come and mix into the air. In this way also air pollution occurred. And sandstorms. What are sandstorms? We can see this in deserts, right? Uh, Sand will come forcibly due to wind. Due to this also it will happen air pollution, pollen and ash or some of the natural air pollutants. Now, human made sources of air pollution. The above things or air pollutions occurs due to naturality. But here, human made sources of air pollution, we see what are these. See, poisonous gas like carbon monoxide released from vehicles. So, carbon monoxide, it's a poisonous gas. This gas is released from vehicles. In this way, air pollution occurred. And next one is industrial emissions that contain toxic gases like sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxide. So, industrial emissions. What do you mean by emissions, children? Emissions means discharge of something, especially gas or radiations. So, industrial discharge that contain toxic gases like sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxide. So, with this sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxide, air pollution happens. Emissions from electronic equipments contain harmful compounds like chlorofluorocarbons. They are emitted by refrigerators and air conditioners. Even we use these refrigerators and air conditioners in our day-to-day life. So due to these emissions of electronic equipments, the harmful compounds like chlorofluorocarbons will release into the air. This is also one of the cause for air pollution. Okay. Next one, children. Household emissions comprise smoke produced from burning wood and charcoal for cooking and bonfires. So, even household emissions also one of the cause for air pollutions like burning wood. We burn wood. In villages mostly they burn wood. Due to this air pollution happens, and we burn charcoal for cooking purpose. Due to this also the air gets polluted. And bonfires. Next one, radioactive emissions. Due to this radioactive emissions also air will get polluted. So, air pollution causes cough, nausea, eye irritation and diseases like asthma and bronchitis. So, due to air pollutions, we will get some health diseases like cough, nausea, eye irritation, and diseases like asthma and bronchitis. So, in this way, the natural and human-made sources of air pollution happens. Next one is water pollution. What do you mean by water pollution, children? See. Water pollution is caused due to the introduction of pollutants into a water body. We can see here some pollutants are released to this water. So, water pollution is caused due to the introduction of pollutants into a water body. Volcanic eruptions at the ocean floor and floods are natural causes of water pollution. What are the causes of water pollution? Volcanic eruptions at the ocean floor and floods are the natural causes of water pollution. Human-made sources of water pollutions or discharge. What do you mean by discharge, children? Discharge means to flow out, okay? To flow out of industrial waste into rivers. We can see in this picture clearly industrial waste is released into rivers. This is one of the cause of water pollution. Next one. Discharge of domestic garbage and lavatory matter into water bodies. So, what is a domestic garbage? We daily used waste. So, we will release daily used waste into lavatory. What do you mean by lavatory, children? A room or building containing a toilet. So, matter this is the one of the cause for water pollution. Oil spill in sea water. Some oil will spill. What do you mean by spill? Cause or allow liquid to flow over the edge. So, oil spill in sea water will also cause water pollution. Whereas runoff. What do you mean by runoff, children? Runoff means draining of water from land. Runoff from farms treated with pesticides. So, draining of water from landforms treated with pesticides also one of the cause for water pollution. Water pollution causes diseases like dysentery. What do you mean by dysentery? Dysentery means it's an infection which causes blood cancer or blood diarrhea, okay? So that we call it as dysentery. Jaundice, typhoid and encephalitis. What do you mean by encephalitis? Means it's a brain infection like, okay? So water pollution causes diseases like dysentery, jaundice, typhoid and encephalitis, children. It also causes various other respiratory and skin infections. Not only these, it also causes, what is it means here? Water pollution causes various other respiratory and skin infections. So children, these are about air pollution and water pollution. We see noise pollution, soil pollutions in our next class. Okay, once go through the today's class, children. If you have any doubts, you can freely reach out to me. Bye children. Thank you.